Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video, you'll be able to be notified. For you who's already part of Winnfrey's kitchen family, asante sana and stay tuned for more delish recipes. Today we will be preparing sticky chicken. Let's cook together. For the ingredients, we have 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon chicken masala, 1 teaspoon curry powder, and wheat flour. We also have coriander leaves, minced garlic, coriander stalks, medium-sized lemon. For the sauce, we need tomato ketchup, Choma sauce, honey, lemon juice, and salt to taste. Mix all the spices together and use half of it to spice up the chicken and the other half mix it in the flour. Remove the skin and then cut incisions on the chicken drumsticks. This helps the chicken to cook thoroughly on the inside. Pat the pieces of the chicken on the flour mixture and ensure that every part is evenly coated. After coating the chicken with flour, deep fry it till golden brown. Once it's well cooked, prepare the sauce. Now in a pan, put some oil, then add coriander stalks and then garlic. Let this saute for a few seconds and then add the tomato ketchup, Choma sauce, honey, salt, and lemon juice and mix this thoroughly. After all the flavors are well combined and the sauce is thoroughly cooked, add your chicken and ensure that every part is coated with the sauce. Your sticky chicken is ready to serve. That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick and easy, delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, Sala Kakuje.